the evening rushes in, the night is on its way. Let's make love before the dawn. Let's make forever in a day. In the shadows we will hide, where no bullets ever fly. High above the gallows reach, where the sky is always nigh. In the field goes a buried blood, too bitter it binds tongue and hands. Lost in the haze of a twisted land, we're searching for the strength to stand. Oh gods, poison me with poison, make it sweet or let it seep into my veins, the darkness growing, consuming me, oh gods release. Poison me, let it burn, in this toxic symphony I yearn. For the pain, the bitter taste, oh gods, poison me, don't let it waste. It's only the agony of cut grass, a test of glass, shards piercing through the past. The knife is tipsy, the hand is clean, anatomy of evil, the fragments unforeseen. In a world of twisted dreams, where shadows dance and demons scream, and nightmare's grip tightens as we wander through the scenes. A field buried blood stained with crimson red, blood becomes honey, nectar of the dead. Oh gods, poison me with poison, make it sweet or let it seep into my veins, the darkness growing, consuming me, oh gods release. Poison me, let it burn, in this toxic symphony I yearn. For the pain, the bitter taste, oh gods, poison me, don't let it waste. Tears are no trouble, I'm ready to fly. Baptized with water, I won't be denied. What else is there? Fire and copper, they can't hold me down. I'm a flying high to the top. And the moon is in pieces, shattered in the night. A black shroud, a white body, a haunting sight. In the field buried blood is the last color, and over the place of execution there's a fog and horror. Yeah. Oh God, poison me with poison, make it sweet or let it seep into my veins, the darkness growing, consuming me, oh God's release. Poison me, let it burn, burn this toxic symphony I yearn. For the pain, the bitter taste, oh God, poison me, don't let it waste. Oh God, make it sweet, don't let it seep into my veins, the darkness growing, consuming me, oh God.